Let me just take you over to this particular Facebook page and let me show you exactly how the monetization is being done. So here is it. You can see that this particular one, the in-stream ad, is actually ready for monetization, and then you can see that the blue setup button is already showing. So this is exactly how you're going to see those buttons in front of your stars, your subscription, and other ones when you're ready and eligible to apply for monetization. So once you see this button on any of your tools for monetization, all you need to do is just to click the setup button. In this video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about the Facebook monetization. How to apply as a Nigerian living in Nigeria, how to get your TIN, that is your taxpayer identification number, how to apply, the different types of monetization that is available to you as a Nigerian, and just every other thing you need to know about the Facebook monetization. And I can guarantee that after you are done watching this video, there's really no other video that you will need to watch, either if you're trying to apply for the Facebook monetization after being eligible, or you're just beginning and you're trying to find all the information that you need before you go ahead to start working it out and then trying to make money on Facebook through the Facebook monetization. So if this video looks like what you would like to see, then stick around because we are about to dive right in. So the first question that you might want to ask is that where are you supposed to be earning from on Facebook? Is it your Facebook page or your Facebook profile? As a matter of fact, what is even the difference between a Facebook profile and a Facebook page? Now, before now, your Facebook profile is just your normal news feed. That's where everybody gets to see you, your friends and your families and friends of friends and other stuff like that. But now, Facebook has upgraded this particular profile. Right now, you can actually turn that's your normal Facebook feed into a profile, and then you will be able to monetize the profile. The only thing you need to understand here is that there are some little limitations that you will have if you're trying to monetize your Facebook profile, unlike when you're trying to monetize your page. Now, before now, a page is just the other section of Facebook where if you're a business owner, you want to promote your business, then you will have to have what we call the Facebook business page. But things have changed a little bit now. It is just not that. It is now more than just using it as a tool to promote your business. You can actually monetize it directly, and actually this is a much better way to monetize on Facebook than the Facebook profile, but whichever way it is, you can actually use any of them. And I already recorded a comprehensive video on how to switch from the normal Facebook news feed to the profile feed where you can actually monetize. The video is somewhere on your screen, and I will also leave these videos in the video description below this video so that you can check them out after watching this video and know everything that it takes to be able to convert your normal Facebook news feed into a profile page where you can actually go ahead and monetize it with Facebook. So another question that you might want to ask is that, okay, what kind of content are you supposed to be creating? Is it your original content? Can you reuse other people's content? The truth of the matter is that you can actually create your own content, original, and you can also use other people's content. As a matter of fact, I have quite a number of videos on how you can reuse other people's content if you don't have content on your own to upload on Facebook, work it out, and then monetize. But the truth of the matter is, if you ask me, I really challenge that you can go ahead and begin to record and publish your own original video, because in the long run, if you want to make money, you might really want to do it well, right? So you can actually monetize both your own original videos and other people's videos. Check the link in the video description. I have quite a number of videos that will really help you if you don't know what to create yourself and you really want to use other people's content correctly without having any copyright issues with Facebook. So make sure you check that out. I will leave them in the video description. So another question you might want to ask me is, okay, what kind of content really do well on Facebook? Look, the truth of the matter is that if you are conversant with YouTube, you don't really want to use the whole of YouTube ideas on Facebook. The reason is because YouTube is known for long-form videos where people really come to learn things, to get entertained, to watch full movies and the rest of them. Facebook does not work exactly like that. But that does not mean that if videos are doing well on YouTube, they also cannot do well on Facebook. Yes, they can actually do well. But from my own experience, I have discovered that some of the best kind of niche that you can actually create videos around, either your own videos or videos of other people, are things like entertainment, sports, specifically football. animal videos, comedy, cartoon animations, sports, and quite a number of other ones. But these ones are really some of the videos that can really do well on Facebook, and they can give you viral views in a very short time. Again, like I said, I have quite a number of videos in the video description if you want to know how to create this kind of content, especially if you don't have content of your own and you want to reuse other people's content and do it right. So make sure you also check the video description. I have quite a number of gifts for you over there. So now, having understood all of this, if you now want to start, what do? Like I said, you don't really need a lot of things to really get started if you are just beginning. All I want to advise you to do is just to learn to post consistently. So either you are using your own video or other people's video, learn to post consistently, because don't expect that your first 1 to 3 videos are just going to give you all the results that you're looking for. No, it doesn't work like that. Okay, so after you have gotten that set, there are quite a number of little things that you also want to put into consideration before you can actually meet the Facebook monetization criteria. But basically, you want to make sure that you have at least 5,000 followers either on your Facebook profile or on your page, and you want to make sure that you have at least 60,000 watch minutes in the last 3 months on Facebook, which is actually very easy to do. So once you get these 2 basic requirements set, the next thing you want to do is that you want to start monitoring either your page or your professional dashboard if you are using the profile to try to monetize. Now, there are about 6 types of monetization on Facebook that you need to know about. The first, and maybe the most ideal for me, is the in-stream ad monetization. This is the Facebook monetization where you earn money when Facebook plays ads in between your videos. The second type of monetization is the stars. How this works is that if you're a creator that does Facebook Live, once your star is monetized, Facebook will place the star icon under your video so that once people tap or click on the star, they will be able to send cash gifts to you. Then there is the subscription monetization where followers can subscribe to your community and pay monthly subscription fee to you. Then there are 2 more which are actually making money from reels and bonuses. For these ones, we don't exactly know the criteria for them. The prerogative lies 100% with Facebook, and they will personally invite you when they feel that you have qualified for them. So all you need to do is just to click on the professional dashboard, and then you can go ahead, set up your professional dashboard and then monitor it, okay? But in this particular one, let's go to the page and see how to check for that. All right, so what I want to do now to be able to monitor my page for monetization is just to come here, and then I'm going to select the page that I want to monitor. Okay, so let's assume that this is the page I want to monitor. I'm just going to select that, and then it's going to switch over to the page. Okay, so from here, you can see here that we have the Meta Business Suite here. So I'll just click on the Meta Business Suite here. All right, so once I get here, so here again, you can actually select the particular page that you're trying to monetize. Okay, so from here, you can actually monitor your page to know when you are ready to monetize any of the 5 or 6 monetization that I have explained a few seconds ago. So let me just take you over to this particular Facebook page and let me show you exactly how the monetization is being done. So here is it. You can see that this particular one, the in-stream ad, is actually ready for monetization, and then you can see that the blue setup button is already showing. So this is exactly how you're going to see those buttons in front of your stars, your subscription, and other ones when you're ready and eligible to apply for monetization. So once you see this button on any of your tools for monetization, all you need to do is just to click the setup button. Okay, so as you can see here, you can see that this particular one, all the monetization criteria have already been ticked green, showing that this particular page is ready to monetize the in-stream ad. So what you want to do here is just to click the blue Get Started button. Okay, so once you get to this point, you can see here that they are asking you to add your tax information. Now they are saying this information is required for tax reporting and should match your most recent tax return. So what you want to do right now is just to click the Add Tax Information in the blue button below. Okay, so here you want to fill in your tax information. So what is your tax classification? Here you want to make sure you choose individual and not business, because if you choose business, you might really have issues with getting your TIN to be able to impute here, as I'm going to explain to you a little bit later. So here, are you a US citizen? Of course you are not, you're a Nigerian, so you're going to select the no option. Are you acting as an intermediary agent? You're going to say no, and then you click the next button. Okay, so here you are required to enter the name and taxpayer identification number. Now, in this very video on your screen, I've already explained to you how you can get your TIN. Either you're using a business TIN or an individual TIN. Of course, you should use the individual TIN. I already explained how to go about getting your TIN in that video, so you want to make sure you watch it, get your TIN generated, and then you want to come in and fix it in here. And then here you want to select the I have a non-US TIN. Okay, so for your country here, all you need to do is also scroll down and look for Nigeria. All right, so here is Nigeria. You're going to select that, and then you're going to click the next button. Okay, so here you want to just make sure that you input all your information. As you can see, they are all very straightforward to input, and then once you get that set up, you're just going to click the next button. Okay, so here, location of where services will be physically performed. You want to go for the 0% of services will be physically performed inside the United States. Once you click on that, just go ahead and click the next button. Okay, so here you just want to make sure that you tick the I consent box here, and then scroll down, and here again tick that box, and here you want to write your name here as your signature, and then you want to click the continue. Okay, so here you just want to check up. These are the information that you have filled in. You want to make sure that everything you've done here is correctly fixed. So you scroll down and then you submit your form. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and then you want to again check everything that you have done. And once you see that you've done a good job, you want to click the done button, and then Facebook is going to reveal this information. For how long, I don't know, but it shouldn't take a long time. Facebook only want to be sure that the information that you have imputed, they are correct, okay? And once they see that everything that you have done is correct, they will go ahead, and then your application is going to be approved, and then you can start making money on Facebook. It's that simple, guys. So guys, this is all it takes on how to monetize your Facebook page and your Facebook profile and start making some dollars online from Facebook. It's that easy. And like I said, you will really need to check the video description under this video, because all the videos that I've recommended will really help you if you are really serious about taking this to the next level and being able to make money on Facebook using the Facebook monetization process. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and I want you to help me share it on your social media handles, because I know that quite a number of persons will really love to see videos like this one. And if you're a first-time visitor or you are an unsubscribed visitor to this channel, come on, what are you still waiting for? I want you to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, so that when I publish more videos like this one, YouTube will recommend it to you and you will be the first to see them. Thank you for watching to the end, and I'll see you in the next video.